and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. Federal government warns Nigerians to relocate as Cameroon opens dam. Super Eagles drops to 6th place in new FIFA ranking. Rwanda becomes first in Africa to begin MPOX vaccination. And now full details of the news. The Nigerian Hydrological Service Agency, NISA, has disclosed that water from Lagdo Dam in Cameroon has been released into River Niger and Benue. Consequently, the agency warned Nigerians residents in floodplains to relocate immediately to safe spaces in anticipation of attendant floods that annually comes with the release of water from the dam. The release of water from Lagdo Dam comes days after water from overflowing Aliu Dam killed over 30% and swept away thousands of homes in Maiduguri, the Borno state capital, last weekend. NISA Director General Umar Mohammed said his agency met with the authorities in Cameroon and agreed that water from the dam be released intermittently for the River Benue and River Niger in Nigeria to be able to contain the volume of water to avoid flooding in 11 states at risk. The Nigerian Labour Congress (NLC) has confirmed it will meet with the federal government on how workers could survive the recent hike in the pump price of petrol. According to the labor movement, the current price of petrol has eroded the gains of the yet-to-be implemented 70,000 naira new minimum national wage. President of NLC, Joe Ajaro, who disclosed this at the opening ceremony of a 2-day workshop on minimum wage implementation workshop Southern Zone with the theme Strategies for Effective Implementation of the 2024 National Minimum Wage Act in Lagos, insisted that the organized labor was deceived by President Bola Tinubu into accepting the 70,000 naira minimum wage to forestall petrol price increase. He advised the government to address the excruciating hunger, poverty, and frustration of Nigerians before things go out of hand, lamenting that Nigerians were really suffering. And now we dive into the world of sports. Despite an impressive start to the African Cup of Nations AFCON 2025 qualifiers against Benin Republic and Rwanda, Nigerian Super Eagles dropped one place to the 6th in Africa but maintained 39th spot globally in the latest world rankings released by the soccer governing body FIFA on Thursday. Super Eagles, under the interim coach Austin Eguavoen, thrashed Benin Republic 3-0 in Uyo, the Akwa Ibom state capital, and played a scoreless draw against the Amavubi of Rwanda in Kigali. The two matches, which had a significant knock-on effect on the FIFA Coca-Cola Men's World Ranking, saw a slight drop in Super Eagles points from 1,498.93 in previous months to 1,498.02 in September, and fallout of the top 5 national football teams in Africa, with Tunisia overtaking them. And on the international scene, Rwanda has launched the first monkeypox vaccination campaign in Africa, marking a significant step in the continent's fight against the disease. As of Tuesday, the country administers 300 doses of the vaccine to high-risk individuals in the border region with the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. Director General of the African Center for Disease Control, Jane Kasia, confirmed the commencement of the campaign, stating the urgency of curbing the outbreak. Up next is the entertainment news. Famous Nigerian comedians Basketmouth and AY Makun have officially settled their 18-year-long feud. Recall that the duo have been in the news over their lingering feud. However, Basketmouth in an Instagram post shared a light-hearted video of their recent interaction. The video, which signifies a major reconciliation between the comedians, captured the moment Basketmouth sought advice from AY following his discussion with actor Richard Mofe Damijo RMD. AY also shared the viral video on his page. Reacting to the development, many netizens, including celebrities and colleagues, have taken to the comment section to express their joy over the reunion. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, to get the latest news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us and do have a pleasant weekend ahead.